Is vaping the hidden pathway to death? Vaping has grown popular in recent years. It is now soaring to heights by influencing the teens and young adults. People are now, for multiple reasons, using vape. They are also using e-cigarettes to give up on regular smoking. Some people even believe that vaping can also increase their social image. But what is vape doing? Vape is harming their lungs, causing lung diseases. The health officials have found that people who vape tend to develop fatigue, shortness of breath, and most of all, coughing. To further study this, they conducted research and tested 30 healthy volunteers, non-smoking adults. They were given an e-cigarette to vape that contained 2 essential ingredients used in a vape. That was propylene glycol and vegetable glycerin. Some of the volunteers vaped for 4 weeks straight. Their test results showed inflammatory reactions in the lungs. Even though the e-cigarette they vaped was free from nicotine and did not contain any artificial flavors. Seeing that, the smoking vape is essentially responsible for physical changes at cellular levels. Although smoking vape creates less inflammation in your lungs and blood vessels compared to a combustible cigarette, it still is a crucial factor in the development of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. E-cigarettes are advised as a safer substitute than a traditional smoking cigarette, as they constitute fewer chemicals than a combustible cigarette. People now believe that vape is safe, but little do these people know that vaping too is harming their inner selves and their organs. A single drag of vape that does not even contain nicotine can damage blood vessels. The toxins reduce blood flow and can cause fatal lung diseases in the long term. That's how dangerous it is. So far, in severe conditions, the patients who face difficulty in breathing also require ventilation since their lungs have stopped responding to respiration. Recent research depicted a mysterious disease that developed in the lungs of people, due to which 11 of them died and 500 people got severe illnesses. The doctors are still finding the root cause of these widely spreading diseases. Many countries are now banning e-cigarettes and vapes, especially the state of Michigan, where the massive outbreak of lung diseases led to the compulsory banning of these electrical cigarettes. As you know, vaping is becoming a trend for the people universally. The economy sees a more significant portion of emerging vape markets everywhere around the globe. About 5 years ago, the demands for these vapes worth around $6.9 billion, whereas now it has increased to a level of $19.3 billion. Furthermore, the excessive buying of electric cigarettes led to an increase in the number of vape mods, which rose to about 7 million in 2011 to 41 million in 2018. Present researchers show that the number of vapes can increase up to an estimated 55 million in 2021, which is again very harmful. There's currently a lot of research in progress to seek adverse effects of vaping. Its side effects can become so severe, even in the short term. It also built up small issues that you may have to stop vaping. Nevertheless, when you vape, we advise that you keep a close eye on your health too. So tell us, do you agree with this statement that says vaping can drag you to severe illnesses or even death? Hit us down in the comment below and let us know, what do you think?